Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so today we are at the Dollar Tree, child. Let's see what they have inside. Honey, I got $10. Okay, and we gonna do some school shopping with $10. All right, let's see what we can get. Okay, child, let's go inside. There is the Dollar Tree is hiring. Okay, let's get us a basket. All right, and let's see what we going to get. Okay, family, so this Dollar Tree is smaller than the one that I normally go to, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a few items from my children over here, because as you can see, they don't really have too much back to school stuff. Honey, these people ran through it. Okay, that's what I'm saying. If you at a Dollar Tree, you better hurry up and get your stuff, because the stuff that they put out, it goes so quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to definitely get my children these troll pens, okay, because I had brought one for myself, but they definitely like these. So I got two of these. And then I'm trying to see about some pencils, but they don't even have pencils here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I just go to another Dollar Tree and see what they have there, okay? But on another note, look at these. Okay, so this is the Halloween stuff, handcuffs they have right here. I showed you guys the skeletons and stuff. Okay, so over here they have the skeleton steak, okay, the pumpkin steak, and then also the vampire, and then they have some more skeletons. This is cute, okay, and then they also have some more of the pumpkin. Look at the pumpkin with the mustache, okay, and then over here they have like the, I guess these, yeah, yard steaks, beware, go back. Lawn steaks. This is really cute. I showed you guys this last time from the other Dollar Tree that I was in. They also have this right here, decor. Okay, honey, I don't know what that's about. Don't get me to line up in here. Okay, and then they also have war borders. Okay, so they have this one with the blood, then they also have the one with the skeletons. They have these. Okay, it's always a good time when you come to Dollar Tree, okay? Or is it just me? I don't know. But they also have these skulls, okay? And this is pretty much like how they look, and they come in black and green only. They have the witches down. Ah, shoot. They have the witches down here. Okay. Oh, honey, this is an ugly witch hanging decoration. Oh, child. Okay, so these pumpkins right here, they are LED, okay, and they flash. Okay, that's why they have the battery socket thing right here. And these come in orange. Oh, this orange looks really good. And then it also comes in black as well. Then they have some more skulls, okay, and it's like the last two left when it comes to their color. Okay, they have these cute trick-or-treat coloring books. Very cute. Let's see, what is this inside? Oh, this one is stickers. Happy Halloween. So they have the different stickers. This is cute for the kiddos. Honey, it's cold outside. My hands don't even want to turn this page. Oh, okay, so it's the coloring and activities. So it has the coloring and also the stickers. Oh, so they have this corn decor. This is cute. This is really cute. And they come in different colors. This is the window decoration that they have here. This is nice, the skeleton. And then some more stickers up at the top. And then they also have these stickers over here. Do you guys eat moon pies? I wonder how these taste. Honey, I don't think I ever had a moon pie. Oh, shoot. Honey, it's trying to fall in my cart. Yeah, I'm not going to get there. Okay, one of the things that I love about coming to Dollar Tree is they journals, okay? I'm going to go ahead and grab this journal. You never can have too many journals. And I'm looking for some pencils over here. This is pretty much the office supply. Oh, let me get my children the 3-piece ruler pack. Oh, wait, hold on, Chad. They got some pencils here. All right, let me get 2 of these. Okay. And I think they pretty much set, because shout out to my children's grandmother, okay, because she come through like no other. Like, always buying them stuff. She had got them some stuff for back to school. So this is really, really good. Oh, so instead of getting both of my children the Troll pen, I want to see if they have one like for the boys. Oh, yeah, they do. Okay, child. So I'm going to get my son this. Let me know in the comments, do your children complain, right? Like, if you get one something and then you get, like, so my daughter, I'm going to get her this Troll pen, okay? And then my son, he'll probably complain and say, why did I get my daughter this pen and he got something different? Yeah, you know what? So that's why I try to get them both exactly the same exact thing. Since when Dollar Tree started selling the Bible? Oh, child. Now, you guys know I'm not religious or anything like that, but you definitely could get something from the Bible, even if you're spiritual. And I like to say we are all spiritual, so I'm going to go ahead and get this. What is this? Red Letter Edition, King James Version. I'm going to get this. So this is fancy. Okay, I definitely don't need this. But this is a wire tape dispenser. Cute. Who remember Nancy Drew Diaries? Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is pretty much Dollar Tree books up here. Okay, my sister, she loved doing these puzzles. I mean, always have, ever since we was children. Okay, let me know in the comments if you guys get Dollar Tree books and stuff and puzzles, and if you buy your children the coloring books and stuff from here. Okay, so this is their wall decor, okay? I think when you put the wall decor in your children's room, it just makes the room pop, okay? I definitely had brought this wall decor for my son's room. Honey, he started taking the stickers, the decals off, okay? So I said, you know what, lesson learned. I guess he don't like it. Okay, these are so cute. So LED table lamp, flexible neck. Okay, so it comes in the turtle and also the little dog. This is so cute. All right, and these are, of course, $1.25. Then they also have the USB mini vacuum cleaner. Now this vacuum clean, honey, is very, very little, okay? But this is like for your keyboard and stuff. I don't know. Well, I guess somebody could make use of this. And then they also have the Moonlight LED. This is cute. Okay, the backsplash for the walls, especially if you live in an apartment, this is so good, okay? They give your wall like a pop, and they come in 2 different designs here. White, that one over there, and then they also have the blue. I like the white one better. In fact, no, this one, it looks So they have 3 different ones. This one looks much better. It gives it that like that brickish look. Really, really cute. Okay, so this is the first time I'm seeing the hair dye, like the different colors at the Dollar Tree. Normally I just see like, you know, the black and a blonde, but now they have the semi-permanent hair color, which comes in pink and then like this turquoise color. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna get me a thing of these hair clips. Have you guys tried this soap? Okay, I seen another content creator, but she was talking about the Yardley soap, and she said like it smells so good, and it was like a limited edition. But this soap smells really, really good. But honey, I don't know about this soap. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this soap. And how is it? Okay, so they have bath slime here, soap, bath slime, bath soap. Okay, and they come in 3 different kinds. Okay, so they have the pink, they have the purple one, and then also the green. Okay, so the green is the watermelon scent. The purple is the sweet berry scent, and then let's see what this one. Oh, the pink is the cherry scent. This is cute. Okay, so I absolutely love washing with these exfoliating stretch cloth. This is the first time I actually seen Dollar Tree with this. The other Dollar Trees, I never seen them with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get me a pink one, because to me, these are so much better than washcloths. All right, so I told you guys I use lime, okay? But the liming, okay, it hasn't been liming, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get this cucumber and mint. Now, on here, it says aluminum free. Let's just see how this does. So Dollar Tree be having some of the nicest nails, okay? These nails are actually cute. Press-on nails, nice. I like these. And then they have some more here. These are really, really cute as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get this toothpaste right here. So we are heading to checkout. Let's see how much this is. Okay, so that Dollar Tree, it didn't have as much stuff, so we on our way to another one. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.